Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for your interest in my product Sorted Out. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial in case anyone is having difficulty using the product. If you're using it on your smartboard at school, you want to avoid using the present button because then they're not going to be able to manipulate the words. So each slide has a different number of categories. I made it so that you could either use 5 categories, 4, 3, or 2. You just have to click on the words and then you can type in whatever category you want to use. So if we were doing AR words, OR words, and UR words, for example, you could type in the categories up top. Then you can come down to each one and then you can type in some words. And then you can keep going. You can either assign it to individual students or you can do it on the smartboard. If your students are using a mouse or if they're using a Chromebook, they can just click on the word and drag it to where it belongs. If they're using an iPad on the smartboard or if they're using a touch screen, they can just touch the word once and then touch it again to drag it where it belongs. It's really important to show your students to avoid touching where the dots are, because then what happens is when they go to drag the word, the shape's going to get bigger. And that's about it. It's that simple. And of course, if you do it through Google Classroom, when they're finished with the form, it'll save as them and they can just turn it into you and you can check everyone's work. Thank you, everybody, again for using this product. I really appreciate it. And I hope you like some of my other TPT products as well. If you think that this product deserves a 5-star rating, please, by all means, I would love to have a 5-star rating on this product. Thank you so much.